Hello everyone, welcome to this video on this problem sum where we are given the area of a rectangle 2x squared plus 19x plus 24. Factorize this algebraic expression. Well, I'm going to make use of the cross chart to help me, so I'm going to zoom in. Okay. So in this case here, I would have my 2x squared will be 2x times x to give me 2x squared. And the way you use this cross chart will be here. And now, for 24, I need to consider all the factors. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8 and 4 times 6, which pair, when I put inside this cross chart, is able to give me when I plus or minus 19x, and it must be a positive 19x here. Well, we could have this because there's a 2 down there, right? So the cross chart work like this is a cross 2x times 8 will give me 16x x times 3 will give me 3x, so that 3x plus 16x will give me back my 19x, and I have successfully found the answer for this. Okay, so from here you can then see that the answer will be 2x and positive 3, x and positive 8, so that will be the answer here. And also, we are given that this is the breadth. So what is the length? Yup, length times breadth is the area, right? So this is simply 2x plus 3. And finally, write down an expression for the perimeter of the rectangle and expand and simplify your expression. So I will have, if I were to draw this particular rectangle out, then the length will be 2x plus 3, the breadth is x plus 8. So essentially I would just need to add everything up. So 2x plus 3 plus x plus 8 plus 2x plus 3 plus x plus 8. And from here, I could then easily add the 2x plus x, 3x, plus 2x, 5x, plus 1x, 6x. I will also have my 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8. This will give me 22. And that would be the answer for this particular question. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.